How to change email ID in LinkedIn profile. Firstly, you have to install the LinkedIn app from your Play Store. Now open the LinkedIn app in your phone. Now you can see that you can how to change email ID. Just click on the me icon that is present at the top. After this, clicking on the me icon, you have to see here there is a setting. Just click on the settings option, and here you can see sign in and visibility. Just you have to click on the sign in and visibility here. After this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. We are going to change email ID. You can see email address, click on it, and you can add your email address and you have to click on it. Just to change your email address, firstly you have to enter the 6 digits code here that will be sent to your email. Thank you so much. This procedure can be applied on the iPhone as well as on Android. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.